everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do a lot of beauty videos, but mainly makeup videos and unboxing videos. So today it's actually time to unbox the Goodiebox of January. It feels like it's been a while, actually. That's the plan of this video. So if you're new here, you should really consider to subscribe and of course like, comment, hit the bell and turn on the notifications. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get into this video. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription, a beauty box. So you receive a box monthly for the same price every month. And you receive boxes with different themes and the box looks different. You can have print or different colors or shades and stuff. You always receive 5 products minimum, I think. I'm pretty sure. You receive a lot of full-size products from a well-known brand, so we really appreciate that. But let's open this. So this is the box and you have this little drawer and it says Goodiebox on the top of the box. I always save these and use them for storage or just organizing stuff. Really nice to have. And this is a okay shade, not one of my favorites, but it's nice. I actually have affiliate link you can use if you want to start this subscription. One of you actually commented on my last unboxing and said that my link just works for a certain amount of people per year. So I think you can use it now again, at least some of you. So try it. If it doesn't work, I'm sorry, but I will leave it in the description box, so check that out. But yeah, this is how it looks, and we have a little paper, and this is actually the descriptions of the products. And the theme of this month's box is "Don't feel sorry for just saying no." I'm going to unwrap this a bit, no sneak peeking, and then I take one product at a time and we talk about them, blah blah blah, and then when we have unboxed the whole box, we read the descriptions of the products. Okay? First product. Okay, Terry DeMars 008 gel. Okay, is this in English or what? Redidation body cleanser. So is this just a body wash? 150 milliliters, good size, and I really like the packaging. Looks really expensive, so I guess it's a full size. It's vegan and cruelty free. Good to know. Okay, let's read about that later. Product number 2, Hair Last Hair Growth and Protection Organic Certified Hair Mask, vegan, 50 milliliters. So it's a deep treatment for dry, damaged, or thin hair. Apply to damp and freshly washed hair. Let the product work for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse afterwards. Okay, so I guess it's just a hair mask. Smaller size, 50 milliliters. That isn't really much for a hair mask, but it will last you a couple of times at least. So we like that. Never seen the brand before, Hair Last, but it looks like it's well made and interesting. You always need hair masks, so that's good. Product number 3. Caramello. We recognize the brand because we received a lot of stuff from that brand in all kinds of beauty boxes. Renew Age Defense Face Brush Beauty Tool, all skin types. The natural mini facelift. Stimulate, release, exfoliate. Okay. Ew, that looks really fancy. And you have this little manual or something on how to use it, maybe? Okay. Okay, so they have a how-to film on YouTube you can watch. So we have some pictures on how to use it. You're supposed to use it on your breast, so what? Use the face brush on dry skin in the morning before your shower or cleansing routine. Use 6 light and energetic strokes for best result. Use 3 to 4 times a week for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how sensitive your skin is. After brushing, cleanse your skin. Okay, that's just weird. Never heard about this before. I guess it's like these stones you drag on your face. It just stimulates some cell renewal or something. It feels like one of those brushes you use on your horse. It looks like it's very luxury and, I mean, the wood, come on. Very interesting. I suppose I have to try it. I wonder what the price of this is. But I like that they include different kinds of categories in the beauty category. So you don't just get skincare, you actually get, well, beauty accessories, you get things for the hair, makeup, all kinds of stuff. Next product. Gabbe, your professional glow. Feed your skin, feed your mind. Soothing and nourishing face mask and podcast. Enjoy the podcast on jbeauty.com and a code. That's weird. So it's just a face mask made in Italy. 25 milliliters. I don't know how to show this because I don't want to give you the code. Okay, you get some coupons, always nice to have. And the last product is the Versa Nourishing Cream with niacinamide, 15 milliliters. This is a really expensive brand. And we have received a lot of products from this brand in our goodie boxes. I like it. It's a really, really nice brand. They have really, really good products and you feel soft and moisturized and all of that after applying their cream. So always good to have more. Let's read about the products, and this is how the description paper looks. So, Verso Nourishing Cream. Recommended price around $90 for 50 milliliters. So this is a smaller size. This is 15 and the full size is 50. So it's really, really expensive. Not for this smaller size maybe, but if you buy the full size, it's ridiculously expensive. It's intense and nourishing cream, gives extra moisture and a long-lasting moisture, blah blah blah. So just a nice nourishing cream. Karma Mejo full size renew face brush and recommended price $50, $45 to $50. That's ridiculous. Yeah, it stimulates the blood circulation, awakens the face and your body. It gives you a natural facelift. Yeah, and as we said before, you brush it in the morning before you shower or before your cleansing routine. Okay, really interesting. Never seen something like this before. Jai Bay full size, feed your skin, feed your mind, retails for $20. So 2-in-1. JB gives you, well, it nourishes and it calms your face. It's a face mask. You can also use the mindfulness podcast. So that's, you had the link on the packaging. That's a new way of selling your product. Hair Lust Hair Growth and Protection Hair Mask retails for $25 for 200 milliliters. and this is 50 milliliters. So it contains a lot of good ingredients, and it repairs and helps your hair. So you should use this between shampoo and conditioner, just like any other hair mask. De Mars full size 008 Redition body cleanser retails for $20. So it's just a body wash, a really expensive one, and it looks nice on the shelf, and it contains a lot of good ingredients. So it's supposed to make you feel fresh and clean. Aren't you always feeling clean when you have taken a shower? I don't know. Apparently not. Really interesting box. I appreciate the beauty brush, but I would like them to include some more makeup products. We didn't receive any makeup this month, so that's something I'm missing in this box. But other than that, it's really expensive products, and you know, they're of good quality, so we appreciate that, of course. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell so you don't miss my future videos. See you in the next one. Bye!